cigarette? Got a light?
So, what went down between you and Dee Dee's baby last night?
You think I kidnapped Jasper?
Oh, sweetheart, I'm more than that. We got solid forensics that show your hands on that baby's blankets.
You got it wrong.
You went up to Dee Dee's last night, you took her baby, and then you dumped it out in the alley to freeze to death. Why do you want to kill him?
I wasn't trying to kill him. I was trying to save him.
Save him?
From that hellhole upstairs. Look, I've known Dee Dee a long time. She's smart, level-headed. If it weren't for that douchebag, she'd be a really great mom. She's smart, she's level-headed.
Ken Cummins?
When he's not nailing the nanny, he's banging some other girl. When Dee Dee's out of town, he uses her place as his party pad. And when she's in town,
He's manipulating the hell out of it.
like a puppy on a string. And Jasper gets lost in the insanity.
Look, just because Dee Dee fell in love with some asshole doesn't mean she's neglecting her baby.
That kid was screaming his lungs out for hours last night. Ken and Miller, they just ignored him and kept on screwing.
And then you thought that putting him out in the alley in the cold was a good idea.
I took him down to Tumbleweeds. People down there love kids. I wrapped him up all nice and warm, and I left him there.